We have some new news this morning concerning a South Bend doctor accused of not reporting an abortion on a 13-year-old in time. He appeared in court today by himself. Dr. Ulrich Klopfer told a judge he plans to hire a lawyer. The judge set his next court date from 2 weeks from now. WSBT's Kelly Stopzinski is in the courtroom. Kelly, you had a chance to talk with Klopfer.
Bob, in the past, he's blamed it on paperwork errors, those problems, and said waiting too long to report abortions performed on 3 13-year-olds in St. Joseph, Lake, and Allen counties were simple mistakes. He actually blames one of the errors on the state. So I asked him today if he still feels that way. He said yes, and he said he doesn't think he did anything wrong. The St. Joseph County prosecutor charged Klopfer with the misdemeanor last month after a months-long investigation. Prosecutors in Lake County charged him with the same thing earlier this year, but this whole thing started a little more than a year ago when Right to Life groups across northern Indiana filed hundreds of complaints against Klopfer with the Indiana Attorney General's office. Right to Life actually uncovered the paperwork about the abortions performed on 13-year-olds, but not reported to the state within the required 3-day window. Young women are still coming to you.
Young women and old women. I had a patient 68 years old come to me the other day. Wow, isn't that amazing?
And so the work that you do, you feel is important then?
Does a 10-year-old girl that get raped by her father, does she deserve to have the pregnancy terminated, or should she have the child?
There's so many other answers. She needs so much more than an abortion. She needs so much more. I think everyone would agree with that this is child abuse. She needs to be taken by whomever can take care of her and mete out justice.
Klopfer's medical license is also in limbo because of the allegations he did not report those abortions within the legal time limit. In January, Indiana's Medical Licensing Board asked the Attorney General's office to investigate Klopfer. Those licenses are still valid. He is allowed to practice, but they expire October 31st. Live in the newsroom, I'm Kelly Stopzinski, WSBT Channel 22 News.